Hey guys, we are going to
We're going to buy something in the
buy something.
store.
With my ate Adriana Grande.
Adrian, Winsford Street ba to?
We're going to, yes,
Oo.
this Winsford Street. There, we're going there. Malapit, no? Lapit.
Tapos bibili ka lang ng mga ganitong
Paminapadpad. Bibili lang kami ng, anong bibili natin natin?
laundry soap.
Laundry soup. Laundry soup daw. Laundry soup. Oh. Yan yung binili ni ate. Hindi ako nakapag-vlog doon kasi baka ayaw nung may-ari. Hindi ako nagpaalam. We're going home. Kasi ang lapit-lapit lang naman.
Ito ng garden mo.
Babuch.
Excuse me.